What's going on, everybody? Welcome again to Brailsford Rides for another Coyote Swap Cobra episode. I don't know if we're gonna get everything done today, but we got both cars out here in the driveway, and today, or at least the plan will be eventually here soon, the plan here soon will be to install our catback exhaust, but we also have to put the mid pipe back on. Right now this thing is open headers and it is stupid loud. We'll do a cold start for you here in a second, but yeah, got both cars out together, looking pretty good.
I think I like this one more. Dad, you'll be to hold it when you do this.
Yeah, it missed the chrome hood, needs some touch-ups, but here, let's take a look at the exhaust that will be thrown on this thing. So we got the Coyote Swap BBK headers, BBK long tubes, and we got the BBK midpipe, Catted Midpipe, along with this Mac flow tube catback. So we're gonna have to get this car jacked up. I'm probably gonna have to pull it back into the garage. We'll lift up the rear end. We'll see if we can do it from inside the garage. And once we do that, we'll give you guys a sound test. But before we do, don't forget, like, comment, subscribe for more Bus 302 and Coyote Swap Cobra episodes. And I'm really excited to get this on, guys. I've been waiting to hear this thing for a long time. That was 2,000. I can't imagine what it'd be like at red line. At red line, I'd be deaf for sure. But our little aero pod's working. The miles, this is how many miles it had before the previous motor blew. Our gas gauge works, battery gauge works, and we just got to get the other harness installed to get the rest of these things working. So that's that'll be in one of the future episodes. But yeah, today the priority is definitely going to be to do the exhaust. You might see my shirt change because I don't think we'll be able to actually do it today. But today's episode, though, for you guys, it'll be seamless. So I'm actually missing like every exhaust hanger under the car, I just realized, now that I'm finally able to get under it. So we're gonna have to actually order that. But what we are gonna work on is, if you guys can look at this, when I backed it on, look at this wheel, and come over here, look at this wheel. They're both kind of bowed in a little bit, and that's because the previous owner was trying to do me a favor because they were both towed out. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take each wheel off, and we're gonna take one turn of the outer tie rod off it and see if we can line it up a little bit better so it's not pulling either direction, because it will need an alignment. We just want to get it as close to straight as possible before we drive it over there. Car, here, go ahead, jack it up. Go. Go. Come on. You need some help? All right, let's go. Ready? Go. Pull. Pull hard. Oh, there we go. One more. All right, we're good. Leave it there. Yeah. Don't scratch the wheels. We got plenty of scratches. All right, go ahead. Go. Push that button. All right, come up. All right, good job.
So when we go turn it off?
Nope, keep going. Look up.
Is that new extension?
All right, thank you. So you guys tell me what you think here. So the angle of that control rod with that A-arm there, I actually think they're lined up pretty good. This might be a smidgen high. I have a bump steer kit and I have a newer inner control arm. At some point we'll replace this rack and pinion. But what do you guys think? Do you think it's lined up pretty good? I think it's pretty good. So what I did is I cracked the nut, I took a turn off, bring it out a little bit, and we're gonna tighten it down and see if that does anything for us. These are Max Speeding Rod coilovers in here. I don't know anything about them, but there's a couple people that say they're great, a couple people don't like them. I guess there was an issue with the initial onset of them. It's where the rear strut was too big, and I think they fixed that, so I'm not sure which iteration I have, but we'll find that out. Again? Mm-hmm. Go. Come on, let's go. Stop.
To see if the wheels are going to rub the cables and harness. I think we're good. We got to go the other way. Right there. We gotta fix that real quick. Alright guys, this thing is first cruise with the boys in it. Let's do a little around the neighborhood real fast. Hopefully we don't get stranded. Turn signals work. That's a plus. Man, that's loud. It's 2,000 RPM. All right, so what we did is we straightened out the wheels a bit. You can see, I think they're aligned pretty good. Yeah, I think we did a pretty good job. We installed the inner fender well. I still cleaned up some more of the wiring in there. But I installed the inner fender well just to make sure those wires are protected. I don't think we have any rubbing. I actually think the clearance is good. One of the things we got to do now is secure this battery. We've got to jump this switch. There's a way to jump it. This guy kind of did it, just grounding it out over to the ground, but you can actually put 2 wires in here to jump the switch. And then we got to reconnect this, which I think he actually cut and moved over here. Sorry guys, they're jumper cables, and that's a no bueno. That's a no-no. We're gonna fix that, but I think he bypassed it because I was watching a video and this might not be wired to the right wire inside the cab. We're gonna get some plywood and we're gonna probably cut to shape a little mold to hold this battery in here, because we don't want this moving around either. This is also no bueno. We want that to sit pretty still. Right about there would be good. As you can see, we got to tie down this battery. That's pretty important. I bet you I can do some kind of makeshift thing right now. But thank God Nathan Hensley hooked us up with that other harness. That's we're gonna get that here hooked up here shortly, because this is a freaking mess compared to what he gave me. Let me show you the difference. So I would have had to send in this freaking nightmare to get it worked on, and instead I get this nice little clean harness with a lot less mess. I mean, tell me, what would you guys rather deal with? Look at that. So yep, hit up Nathan Hensley. I'll put his I'll ask him for a link and I'll put it in the comments down below. But yeah guys, this wasn't the video we wanted to film. We wanted to get this on the car. Unfortunately, it's just not in the cards today. I got to order the hangers because it's missing like every single hanger. So we'll get that kit ordered off of Elmar. I think they sell it. Then
we'll get this thing back up in the air and get the exhaust on there. That's going to do it for today's video. If you guys enjoyed this video, please click the like button down below. Don't forget to subscribe for more Boss 302 and Coyote Swap Cobra content. We got a lot more coming, guys. We're digging into this thing hard. The boys have been helping me, as you saw, and they're full on into it. He's about to go work on his car, but that's all I have for you. I want everybody to stay blessed, stay safe, and we'll see you next time on Brailsford Rides. Take care.
I think I left the Cobra on the other one. And I got my own Coyote Swap Cobra toy. And we're gonna see when we put on the exhaust. We can give you a sound clip.